Hello, my Simply Simona family. Welcome back to another one of our lovely videos. So, family, today I have an exciting video for you all. We have been sponsored once again by no one else than Vatrer. We have been sponsored by Vatrer 3 different times, you guys, and we have been rocking with them since day one, since we got our solar system, and we stay with Vatrer because we have had no issues with our lithium batteries at all. We love them. We love the look of them. We love how they function. We love all the features that they have. So today's video is about Vatrer batteries. It's the 48-volt, 100 amp hour lithium battery with Wi-Fi batteries. We are on our fourth one today. And our goal altogether for our system will be 20 batteries because we want a huge system, because we are trying to build a community out here, and who knows who we will be supplying energy for. So anyways, let's go check and see what my husband's doing and check out this new battery.
What up, though, Simply Simona family? We back again with another one of our favorite videos that we love to do by this particular lithium company, Vatrer. They've already hooked us up with several batteries.
Yes.
The outpour has been crazy. You guys have ordered them like crazy. So we're back again with another one to show you guys how this one sets up. So I'm going to get this going here real soon. If you look at this particular battery setup I got here, if you notice the wire is way too thin for what I want to do here. So I'm going to get ready to switch these over to 2 gauge wire. So I'm going to run all this in series, change the wiring out. That'll give us more power. We still got those solars to hook up out front. So
the new solar panels.
Yeah, we still got the new solars to hook up out front. So we're going to add a 4th battery, and we're going to go from there. So Vatrer, that's what it is.
So first things first, family, we are going to unbox this 48-volt lithium battery for you guys, 100 amp hour. All right, let's see what comes included.
All right, of course, you got your manual, warranty packet, some of the best customer service on the market. If you run into any problems, great customer support. So let's see what we got here. All right. So these are your covers when you're hooking up your terminals. All right, you got your Wi-Fi cord. Then you got your Wi-Fi antenna. And also you have your positive and negative power cords that runs right to the next battery that you have. All right, this is where the fun come in at the unit itself.
And I love how these batteries look.
Yeah, real sleek. Once again, you got your large display interface, LED screen, got your positive and negative cables, your power on and off switch.
Okay.
Oh, this one already comes pre-charged. Look at that, 55% pre-charge already. How about that?
Woohoo!
I didn't even know that. That's awesome.
Yeah.
And then you got your many functions down here that you could plug in from your USBs. Actually, this is no USB. That's more of a
What, Wi-Fi?
No, this is here when you want to plug in your inverter here. All right, we're getting ready to set it. Love the handles on there, make it so much easy to transport, grab and go. Built very sturdy. So we'll set it up on the other one.
And it won't stay like this, you guys. We will be having these inside of a, what do you call it?
What's that?
The battery cabinets.
Yeah, the cabinets. Yeah, we'll get those there soon.
I don't know about soon, but we'll get them one day, y'all. Them things aren't cheap. All right, so we have our 4th battery all set up. Looking good. All right, so I think my husband went to the store to get some thicker cords, but you guys, these batteries do include every single thing that you need. We just wanted to use the same cords that we've been running the whole time, because the first time we got them, well, the first 2 times we got it installed, we had them professionally installed, and that's what they did. So we just want to follow how they set it up.
Yep, that's all. The terminals are too big to get in between the box on the terminals that they gave us. So what I'm going to do is just grind them down, come out nice and good. That way they're able to fit in between the box. I know I should have glasses on. I'm going to get them now.
No, you ain't. You just saying that. Okay, so while my husband is over there doing that, let's talk about these solar panels, you guys, because right now, this is what we have and it's working really, really good. But we do, like I said, we do want 20 panels or more. I think we can only fit 20 panels on the inverter that we have right now. And we'll have to get another inverter. I'm pretty sure that's what it is, if I'm telling you guys correctly. But anyways, yeah, so we just recently went and picked up 3 more solar panels. So yay, excited about that. We're gonna have those installed. And yeah, and we're just gonna keep on building our solar system, you guys. Like I said, we want 20 batteries all together, even more. I'm not just gonna limit us at 20, but that's the number that's in my head. Like I said, eventually this whole place, this 10 acres over here, will be built out. You'll see tiny houses, different structures on the property. This is only the beginning, you guys, only the beginning. Da, 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 da! Woo! All right, family, so let's get into this 100 amp hour, 51.2V, 48 volt lithium server rack battery from Vatrer. Let's check out all the features. All right, family, so let's go ahead and talk about the storage that these batteries have. So you guys, this battery has high capacity energy storage. It delivers a robust 5.12 kilowatt capacity with 5,120 watt power output, which is equivalent to 4 12 volt 100 amp hour Life P04 batteries in series. Ideal for solar, RV, and even off-grid systems. And these batteries actually offer a long-lasting cycle life. So this Vatrer battery offers 5,000, no, actually over, do you guys hear me? Over 5,000 cycles at 100% depth discharge, significantly outlasting the lead acid batteries by 300 to 500 cycles. Do you hear me? Okay? Yes, Vatrer is the way to go. This battery has advanced safety features equipped with a 100 amp BMS that protects against overcharging, over discharging, short circuiting, and extreme temperatures, which is great for us living out here in the desert. And for your growing energy needs, this 48 volt Vatrer battery offers up to 10 parallel connections and more. And another great feature, you can also monitor and control your own battery in real time. Also, don't forget to download the app. You can control your battery by your phone. So family, I know there are a tons and tons of different battery options out there. But let me tell you, for the price point of a Vatrer battery and all the functions, the features, everything that it has, it's literally unbeatable, you guys. So we're going to continue rocking with Vatrer. Like I said, we've been doing it since the very beginning, and that's what we're going to continue doing. If you guys want to try it out for yourself to see how good these batteries are, I will leave all of the information down in the description box below, and you try it out. And when you try it out, come back on the channel and let us know, hey, you know, this battery is amazing, because that's what you're going to say. It's amazing. So anyways, you guys, and if you're not thinking about doing solar or anything like that, I would suggest it's something you truly think about, because look at the world, what's going on right now, you guys. Look what's going on in Cuba right now, and it's a sad thing, but If you have solar, you are 10 steps ahead, I would say, above everyone else that doesn't have solar when it comes to issues with electricity, you know, and it's bound to happen. It's happening right now. So you guys, I would say stock up, get your solar panels, get your inverters, get your batteries, your Vatrer battery. And yeah, start building your solar system. Even if you just want to get the items and the materials and store them away, get you a container, shipping container, put all your things in there, you guys, for when you do want to start and building your solar system. So, yeah, solar is the best thing, literally out of everything at this homestead. I am I'm grateful for everything, but I'm very, very grateful for the solar system. Once again, I want to thank Vatrer. Thank you so much, Vatrer, for sponsoring this video and for making such a great quality battery. So you guys, I guess I'm going to end this video right here. And until next time, I will see you all later. All right, bye-bye.